In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Olymp Matrix app. So if you're experiencing problems with the app, maybe the app keeps on crashing or it can't open at all, then let me show you how you can fix this problem. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, my name is Isaac and let's get into it. Now, there are various methods we can use to troubleshoot Olymp Matrix app. And in the first method, we are going to access the app information page. So to access the app information page, there are two ways we can do it. First, you just need to go to settings. And from settings, go ahead and look for the option called apps. Under these apps, look for this option called manage apps and then tap on it. Now, depending on your smartphone, some might be written more apps or all apps. I'm using an Android smartphone and this is a Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From this, go ahead and look for your app. And as you can see, mine is here. If I go ahead and tap on it, you can see I'm on the app information page. Now, if getting to this page is quite tedious for you or you can't find the process, let me show you a shortcut method that you can use to get here. Now, for this, just go ahead and look for your app again. And this time, instead of tapping on it, go ahead and long press on it. Under this, you'll see this option called app info. If you tap on it, you can see now we are on the same page, app information page. Now, the first thing we need to do is to go ahead and clear the app data and more especially the cache data. If I go ahead and tap on storage, you can see we have a lot of cache data that is available on this app. Now, when you talk of cache files, we are talking of small files that are normally stored on your app whenever you use it to enhance user experience. However, the accumulation of these files sometimes might cause your app to malfunction. Now, to wipe them, all you need to do is to go ahead and tap on clear data down here. And then under this, look for this option called clear cache. If you tap on it and then OK, you can see now our cache data has been cleared. From this, go ahead and restart your smartphone, then try opening your Olymp Matrix app and it should now work just fine. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then you can proceed and tap on clear all data and then tap on OK. At this point now, go ahead and log into your app and it should now work. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then head to the third and the last method to solve your problem. For this, head over to Google Play Store and then tap on it. And under this, go ahead and search for your app. And as you can see, my app is here. Go ahead and tap on it and then look for any update. If it is available, it will be written here, update. Go ahead and update your app to the latest version. Now, one of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of Olymp Matrix app. By updating it, you'll be able to fix bugs and also get the latest version of this app. Once you're done, now you can go ahead and tap on open to start using your app. And at this point, everything should be up and running well. So by using any of these three methods, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix any problem related to your app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.